Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our new summer mini kit. It is cute as a button. It is so gorgeous. So this is the kit. Let me take you through what's in the kit. It is this gorgeous little stamp set called Summer. It's got the little ice cream van, some cute little animals. It is adorable. You also get the laser cut. Lots of cute little pattern papers to use as backgrounds on your cards. Oops, there. They all just want to join me. Really cute. You get this mini cut apart sheet. And of course the cutest little magazine. Let me show you the add-ons for this month. There is a whole nother stamp set. So this is the Enjoy the Fun stamp and the Enjoy the Fun die. You can also add on the fussy cutting die for the summer kit, and we have 3 stencils. This one here, which is called Scene Builder Trees. This one is Scene Builder Nature Elements. And this one is Scene Builder Clouds and Grass, I think. But let me check. Clouds and Grass, yes. So they're your add-ons. And of course you can add on extra of the laser cut and the cut apart sheet if you want to. Let's take a look at some of the cards the girls have done. These are Ashley's cards here I'm showing you. Aren't they adorable? And that's the cloud background. Cute little guy, here's on the summer stamp. The little scooter here, and all, that is on the Enjoy the Fun stamp, but all the shaky bits are on the summer stamp. Cute little elephant, and so that's the grass and the clouds. Looks so good together. Hello, let's go fly a kite. They are really fun. Gorgeous little cards, and you can see the rest of the DT absolutely loved creating with this collection too, and you'll see more of these on our socials throughout the month. So summer is now available. It is shipping from today, and you'll be able to purchase these. Our last day in the warehouse is Wednesday, and if you pop an order in after Wednesday when we're on leave, they won't ship until the new year, until about the 10th of January. So I hope you enjoy these summer cards. They are so beautiful. Thank you for all your support this year, and Merry Christmas if I don't talk to you again. Thanks guys, bye.